Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Welcome back to one of my Ed-Leedskalnin workshop series videos. Let me pan back here. And I'll show off a Tesla coil there. NST, half of it's running it. The bottom of the secondary is flying high. It's not touching any ground. Comes up here to my, I would call this a static cap capacitor. And then come out the other side of that cap there to the bottom of this coil here. And then the top of that's connected to this top load. I got a pickup wire on there running into a bridge rectifier. Go into my capacitor here, and we're going to run this motor fan here. You're going to see the light bulbs are lighting up randomly. You're going to see us feeding the top side of this capacitor, salt water, which is going to feed over to this wire, which this is going to be under vacuum. And we got that down to 30. We'll crank it back up. And this is chasing ground, going to earth ground. So basically we're having a ebb and flow, running a motor. And then we'll come over here to Ed-Leedskalnin's wheel, and we'll talk about some of Ed's products. Got some nice corals, different types. This one's from the northern part of Florida, and this one's from the southern part of Florida. And we'll have a special guest maybe show up and talk to you about them. This is some chipping away devices that the wheel's capable of running. And let's fire in a hole. Tally ho, Governor. Oh, I think I forgot to mention, there'll be plasma. So remember, all this you see on this side, we'll call this the free-floating, I can't say dielectric realm, but free-floating sort of its own ground. Because basically, this is the bottom end of this Tesla coil of the secondary that would normally just be ditched to ground, discard it. So here it is recaptured, and it is actually